Master Maths with Mr. A.B. Pardhi. Hello friends, we are going to learn a class 9 subject algebra. Topic is real numbers. Please subscribe. Hello friends, after the decimal form of rational number, we come to know to express the recurring decimal in P upon Q form. Let we take example for that. Express the recurring decimal zero point 777 and so on in P upon Q form. Solution. Let we take x is equal to 0.777 and so on. We can write 0. Here the 7 is recurring, so we can write 0.7 dot, because 7 is recurring here. Therefore x is equal to 0.7 recurring. Now we multiply by 10 on both sides. When we multiply, initially we say that the number of digits after decimal point. Here the number of digit after decimal point is 1. So we multiply by 10. If number of digits after decimal place is 2, then we multiply by 100. Okay. Therefore multiply by 10 on both sides. We get 10x is equal to 10 multiply 0.7 recurring. So we get 10x is equal to 7.777 so on. Okay. So 10x is equal to 7.7 recurring. Now subtract x is equal to 0.7 from 10x is equal to 7.7, means 10x minus x is equal to 7.7 recurring minus 0.7 recurring. Okay, in left hand side we get 9x is equal to, in right hand side we get 7. Therefore x is equal to 7 upon 9. Therefore 0.777 recurring is written in P by Q form as 7 upon 9. Hello friends, after that we learn practice set 2.1. Question number first, classify the decimal form of the given rational numbers into terminating and non-terminating recurring type. Let me take example first. 13 upon 5. We divide 13 by 5. 5 2s are 10. 13 minus 10 is equal to 3. Then we take decimal point. Here comes 0. That becomes 30. 5 6 are 30. Remainder is 0. Here the quotient is ending. It means it is terminating type. The decimal form of the given rational number is terminating type. Here the decimal form of rational number 13 upon 5 is terminating type. Hello friends, we take another example. Two upon 11. Okay, now we divide 2 by 11. Okay, when we divide 2 by 11, we take initial 0 and decimal point. Here comes 0. 11 ones are 11. So we subtract 11 from 20, means 10 minus 1 9. Again we take 0. 11 8s are 88. Again we subtract 88 from 90. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. Borrow 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. Again we take 0. 11 ones are 11. We subtract 11 from 20. Now we get 10 minus 1 is 9. Borrow 1, that is equal to 0. Again we take 0. 11 8s are 88. Now we subtract 88 from 90, means 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. Borrow 1. 9 minus 9 0. Here we see in the quotient 1 8 is constantly repeating, that is the recurring. Therefore we write as 0.18 recurring. The decimal form of rational number 2 upon 11 is non-terminating recurring type, because the digit 1 and 8 are constantly recurring. So we put the line here for recurring mark. Therefore decimal form of rational number 2 upon 11 is non-terminating recurring type. So here are some examples that you have to solve. That is the homework for you. Classify the following decimal form of given rational number into terminating and non-terminating recurring type. (29 upon 16), 17 upon 125, and third is 11 upon 6. Homework for you: classify the following decimal form of given rational number into terminating and non-terminating recurring type. First example is 29 upon 16, second is 17 upon 125, and third is 11 upon 6. In practice set 2.1, question number 2. Write the following rational numbers in decimal form. Take first 127 divided by 200. Solution is there. Now we divide 127 by 200. So when we divide 127 by 200, we take here 0. So it becomes 127. Now we take decimal point, we put here 0, the number becomes 1270. Now we divide 1270 by 200. Now 206 is 1200. Now we subtract 1200 from 1270. Now we get 0700. Now we take again 0. 203 is 600. Okay. Now we subtract here 0, 0, 7 minus 6, 1. Again we take 0. 205 is 1000. Now we subtract 1000 from 1000. We get 0, 0, 0 and 0. Here the quotient is terminate name because the quotient is ending. Therefore, decimal form of rational number 127 upon 200 is equal to 0.635. So in that way you can solve some examples. Write the decimal form of the following rational numbers. Write the decimal form of following rational numbers. First is 25 divided by 99. Second is 23 divided by 7. Third is 4 upon 5. And fourth one is 17 upon 8. Hello friends, in practice set 2.1, the next question is write the following rational number in P by Q form. 2.514 recurring. Solution for that example is as follows. Initially we take let x is equal to 2.514 recurring. How will we decide the multiplier of this number? Initially consider that the number of digits after the decimal points. Here number of digits are 3. 1, 5, 1 and 4. These are 3 digits after that decimal points. So we multiply this equation by 1000 on both sides. Therefore, multiply by 1000 on both sides. What will you get? 1000x in left hand side is equal to 1000 multiply 2.514 recurring. Okay. Therefore, 1000x is equal to, when we multiply 2.514 recurring by 1000, we get 2514.514 recurring. Now we give equation number 1 for x is equal to 2.514 recurring and 1000x is equal to 2514.514 recurring is equation number 2nd. Now we subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Subtract equation 1 from equation 2. We get in left hand side 1000x minus x, x means 1x, is equal to 2514.514 minus 2.514 recurring. Now 1000 minus 1, that is equal to 999. X is equal to, here we subtract recurring 514 minus recurring 514 is 0, and 2514 minus 2 means 2512.000. That means 999x is equal to 2512. Therefore, x is equal to what? We divide 2512 by 999. Therefore, x is equal to 2512 divided by 999. Therefore, 2.514 recurring can be written in P by Q form as 2512 divided by 999 divided by 999. In that way, the decimal form can be written in P by Q form as. Hello friends, now the homework is as write the following rational numbers in P by Q form. Here the example first is 0.6 recurring, second is 0.37 recurring, third is 3.17 recurring, and fourth is 15.89 recurring.